I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Colleen.
What?
Do you want to go get screwdrivers out of my truck?
No.
Please. They're in my glove box. Please. Please.
I don't know what I'm looking for.
It's
a
you know what a
screwdriver.
screwdriver is, right? I need a Phillips screwdriver. Please?
Is this a mechanical cable?
Yes. Colleen. Thank you. Just get a few different sizes. You literally what?
Grab them all.
Colleen, what is a Phillips screwdriver?
I don't want this on.
You know what a Phillips screwdriver is, right? Alright, just, you know what a screwdriver is. Grab every single screwdriver that is in my glove box. Every single one of them.
Cold!
Huh?
It's gonna be cold!
Just go!
You're from Texas. You like snow.
Sonic fast, dude.
Your door lock?
Huh? No. It's not. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
Okay, are we putting that on there?
Oh no!
Jesus, your head is big.
Yeah, it is. That's not the first time I've heard that though, Peter. Wink wink.
Can you not?
What?
And after hours,
Buy one on your phone quick.
it's all done.
No, I need to fix it still. The cables are all messed up.
Okay, so that's not done.
Is there going to be a certain one that I have to buy?
Do? And, this brick.
Damn it!
Do you want
And
Windows
she's
10?
still recording,
Do you want
too!
Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Home? Probably Pro, right?
Yeah, bro.
So what's next?
Buy a key.
You suck my
Don't!